Welcome to Analytics with Nags. In this video, we are going to see about how to connect different data sources. We are discussing about a business scenario. A guy is running a garment shop and he's owning men's casual and ladies casual and accessories. So all these things he is maintaining in Excel for his point of sales, or consider for sales information he is maintaining it in Excel. And he maintains the customer information in text file. So this is second source for him. And he maintains supply database and website. So all this information he is currently maintaining in different places. Customer in text, supplier in database, websites. He's having some websites and Excel in for sales related. So how he will connect to all these different sources and how he will generate that report. There is no relationship between these things. That is not purpose of this demo. And just this demo is for connecting to different data sources. Okay. So now this is the report that we have already created using Excel. And now we are going to connect to customer text file. For that, just go to get data, then text or CSV to read text files. Click on this. Now navigate to that file, text file, that customer data where it exists. Then click on that. So the text files are similar to Excel, and you can see he don't maintain the column names. He maintain the customer name and phone number, customer name, phone number for his data. And we need to do that rename of that column. So let us quickly do some transformation. So this things here based on delimiter, it will split. In the CSV file, he maintains some space. Okay. Now is fine, it is loaded. Now change it to customer name. Let's call it as name. And here also customer name. Let's, after changing it, let's close and apply. So this is the data came from Excel, and you can see the difference here. The second data, customer data, came from CSV file. So both will be displayed, and you can find a plus symbol for a customer name. Why it's plus symbol? It should not be a customer name. We will change it. It's a phone number, so we will rename it. So this is how you need to do change of columns if you did some mistake. So it's changed. Now you can see a name and phone number column. That will be easy to analyze, but the phone number should not be summarized. In my previous video I explained some columns should not be aggregated, like that if the data type is predicted, then Power BI will automatically detect its summation. So but this should not be summed up. Phone number, if you sum up, that doesn't have any meaning. So changing it to do not summarize. So that's it. We have loaded the customer data. Now moving on to supplier database. So for this we need to connect to database. Go to get data. So it will display what are the common data sources. These are the common data sources. I will go to more. I'm going to connect to SQL Server database, that is at the top, and as you see all other databases listed here. For this example we go connect to SQL Server database. click on connect, and what you see is like you need to provide a certain data like server name. So server name, each source has its own properties. Here you see import and direct queries. Import will import the data and direct query will fetch the data directly from the database each time you query it or see the report. That is the difference. Now you need to get the this information from your admins. So just get that server name now. Now my database is in my local system. I'm getting it from here. So this is the server name, and the Docker store is my database. So just copying it, and once you put that server name here and database is option, click on connect. There is some issue. I'll connect it. Click on it. In few seconds you will get navigate to your table wherever it resides and click on load. So now we have got the data from the database as well. That's good. Finally, he wants to get the data from website. For that, I have this URL, and I'll just quickly show you what is the website data he has. So this is the website. He wants to fetch what is some metadata, whether it's correct or not. Just he wants to analyze. So just when he uses that data, he gets the data by going to web, and you need to paste that URL here. So you see like different data sources has its own different connective mechanisms. So put on that URL to get the data from the web. It takes some time. Okay, we got it. But the top one is a HTML table, but we don't want that. Just see that. And he wants this data, so it contains a product information, what is the price, other related information. Just click on it and click on load. I don't want to go for any transformation for now. So I'm loading the table 2 from the website. It contains other tables as well, but that is not useful to analyze. So I just rename it. It's a website data. So basically now we have can get data from other sources as well, guys. That is what I'm going to that is what I'm trying to explain, because we have got data from customer is from text, supply is from database, and website data we got it here. So these are the different data sources that for this small shop guy can able to fetch into Power BI. Now just want to understand, as I mentioned earlier, there is no analysis is going to make from this, and there is no relationship between these tables right now. In future videos I will explain the relationship. For now, just I want to explain these sources or these tables or informations. You can get it from multiple places. That is the objective of this video. I hope to summarize, we got data from different sources. Customer is from text, website data we got it, supplier data we got it from database, Excel. It contains sales data, and we already created dashboard from it. I hope you guys like this video. Do subscribe to this channel, and do remember that Data is your asset.